Alright guys, let's quickly compare the specs of the upcoming Cubot KingKong 11 with its predecessor, the Cubot KingKong X Pro. We will compare the specs of both devices side by side to see which is equipped with the best specs. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So these are the top features of both 5G rugged phones. As you can see, the Cubot KingKong X Pro is a far more powerful rugged phone, but this also means that the Cubot KingKong 11 would not cost as much as the Cubot KingKong X Pro. The X Pro currently on AliExpress is sold for $330. So the Cubot KingKong X Pro might be sold for, I don't know, maybe $300 or $270. I mean, it cannot be as expensive as the X Pro, since the X Pro is a much more powerful 5G rugged phone. But anyways, what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.